So why does PPC work? Remember how I talked about that PPC is really about like getting your product to the top of page one, right? It's really about customers are used to being advertised to, right? So you'll see even the top products that are already on the top of page one organically, they'll also be running ads on the top of that page because customers automatically assume if you're advertising, oh, that must be a good product, right? So it's a really good way to get your product out there. And of course, we have to learn to optimize it and master it so that we can get those conversions and make those sales. So let's talk about what it costs. All right, you're not paying for the impressions. You're paying for the clicks, okay?
At least on Amazon. Sorry to interrupt.
Yes, but your clicks are a bidding system, okay? So you only pay when your ad is clicked on, right? You only pay, so when you see the spend column on your Amazon PPC campaign, it's telling you how much you've spent on clicks. And so even though you've bid, let's say you bid 75 cents for a keyword, right? It doesn't mean you're going to pay 75 cents. It's a bidding system. So you might pay 60 cents for that click. It really depends on how many people are bidding on that keyword and how relevant their listing is for that keyword, whether or not someone has clicked and converted for that keyword. And then it depends on how many bidders there are, right? And so the other thing is you might bid 75 cents and the suggested bid is, $1. Does that mean that your ad won't be shown? No, but it will affect your ad placement. So meaning your ad might not be at the top of the page. The way that I learned this when I first started is I started bidding and then I would go out on Amazon and look and try to find my product for that keyword. So if you place a keyword bid for water bottle and then you go search water bottle on Amazon, look and see where your ad is showing up. And that will help you. Don't click on it because you'll pay for that, but check it out. And also, this is kind of how you can learn.
Yeah. Also, just to add to what people don't realize is Amazon customizes searches for the user. So do a search. You can do a search in your own account as well, but also open an incognito or a private window, AKA the porn window. Open a private browser. And then search Amazon for Greg. I got to laugh out of Greg. He's like, yeah, I know all about that one. Open that browser and then search Amazon because that'll give you better results because they won't be as customized. You can also do, I can't think of the Pingdom, I think is the website. There's also websites that do like, they're made to check website speed. But they're also useful because you can actually like put your search for Amazon in that website and check it, and it'll actually show you like in Australia, like if somebody searches for Australia, here's what the results are going to be, and if your ad's on the top, you can see it there. It only takes a screenshot of the first results, but that's a good tool as well to go and see where results are how results are showing up like around the country because Amazon's displaying different results for users, locations, like in California, I probably get different results than somebody in New York. Like Amazon's got all these different data points and they're constantly crunching these data points to maximize sales. So make sure you like cover all the bases when you're doing those checks. Sorry, Amy.